Our fan commented that they want to visit our factory, so today I will walk you through the process for external visitors for following our factory.
First, factory staff will meet visitors at the gate, and the visitors will collect and wear badges based on their identity. Next, visitors fill out a health registration form to ensure they meet the safety standards and prevent any potential health risks to the factory environment. To ensure a safe and hygienic working environment, all jewelry must be removed. Next, visitors will enter the changing room to put on hair caps and shoe covers. Use the roller to remove any hair from the clothing. Next, wash your hands, dry them, and sanitize them. To enter the second floor cleanroom, visitors change into slippers, then into cleanroom suits, undergo disinfection, and pass through the air shower. After completing all the steps, you can enter our clean and tidy workshop for the tour. Ready to explore more? Visit www.chinawood.com. Join us in making a greener choice.